Can I get a hello? What's up, y'all? So this is like different from what I'm usually filming, but I really wanted to like film this for you guys because it's different from my channel. Okay, just got her wig on and I don't look crazy right now, but it's not styled, it's not like glued on. But look at the lace, look at the lace, look at the lace. Fine. Okay, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're basically gonna you guys can see I put my wig on. I forgot where I ordered this from. Oh, matter of fact, I have a video on this wig. It's from Aligrace. They came through for your girl probably about November-ish. It's a whole backstory on how they came through, but they came through for your girl, and this is the wig. So I'm about to get into how to install her. Well, not even how to. This is gonna be, I'm gonna show you because I'm not a professional, not in the least bit. Fire. Okay, so let me chill. Anyway, so like I said, I'm not a professional, and y'all probably know I don't do stuff like this on my channel. But I was like, you know what, we're gonna try something new. So I am going to show you guys how I basically just style this wig. So this is gonna be like a little get ready with me. I'm going out to dinner and I'm gonna go enjoy myself. So I wanted to like just film this because I was just like, hey, why not? I already had this installed professionally. So what I'm basically doing is just reinstalling what she already did. Now normally I wear like a middle part, but I was like, you know what? I want a little side, like, boom. You look, you see the, you know? So I really want to style this hair. Basically I'm only going to be wearing it for tonight. Using is the olive oil ORS Fix It Holding Spray. And like I said, the girl that did it before, her name is Abby. She's located in Brooklyn. So I'll link all her information down below. Sis killed my hair. I'll probably put like a little video clip, a little picture right here so you guys can see how she slayed my hair, okay? Because sis had me looking alright. And like I said before, it was in the middle part. So this time I just decided to do a side part. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig. She already bleached the knots, so it kind of blends in with my skin. And I'll probably just put like some concealer here just to make it so you don't see the wig cap underneath, because I feel like you can see it right there, but it's all good. I'm gonna take the spray and just basically spray along like where I want the wig to stay, right? So, you know, I'm learning, we learning. So I'm gonna just take that, spray it, and then just kind of, I don't know how much I'm supposed to spray, so we're just gonna do right there, like right above the hairline. I'm gonna just do probably like 3 coats of doing that because I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure how many I'm supposed to do, and that doesn't feel tacky enough for me. So, and then I'm just gonna pull that forward. Let me pull the cap over a little bit. Pull the wig forward, like so. Supposed to go to make sure it stays down. Pull the baby hairs back. And I think I want to put a little bit more sprayage in the front just to like make sure she stays down. So then I have my, I got a lot going on over here. I got my straightening comb, so we're gonna plug her in and we're gonna get it hot. I'll probably put it on the 2nd setting because this thing gets super duper hot. I got this for my birthday, but I believe it's from Amazon. I feel like you can find these anywhere really. So yeah, that feels pretty secure. Okay, we got a little something. I don't want to pull it too hard because I don't want to like pull it off. I want it to kind of set. And then I also I need to clip this up. I also want to do slight baby hairs. I don't want to do nothing too crazy. Just something small, you know? Just something cute. Just like kind of really on the side to give it that seamless look. So yeah, I'm just gonna fix my parts a little bit. I'm gonna do these baby hairs real quick, but I do want to kind of, whoo, I said this shit get hot, honey. I told you I'm not a professional, so I gotta be careful. I'm scared. It's hot. And I love wearing wigs because honestly, that's really my favorite protective style. I don't know about you guys. So if you are a natural or if you just like wearing wigs, I feel like that's just like my favorite style to do. But I feel like sometimes I don't wear wigs because it don't look fire. Like, so the only way to get it looking fire is to practice. Y'all gonna probably see some more wig tutorials or like wig things, get ready with me's on my channel because I wanna learn how to fleek a wig. Like, that's just so fire. Like, all my girls out there doing like wig reviews and like installs and stuff like that. Like, it really is a skill. Like, to fleek an install, like, that's such a skill. I think that's so fire. All my girls down below, let me get some tips and tricks on how to really fleek an install. Right now I'm gonna just sleek my baby hairs. It looks like the wig is on. It feels secure on my head, so I'm just gonna like put some got2b glue, you know, and just slick some edges. I don't really want it to be too dramatic. I'm really not, like, for now I feel like dramatic edges is not for everybody. It's not really my zhuzh right now. I feel like some days I have my days. Like, some days I just want the swoops, and then some days I really do want that dramatic, like, S-curl. Give me that S-curl. Give me that S-curl. Give me that S-curl. Their previous that did this install for me, she basically already set me up for success because she already bleached the knots. She already did everything I feel like needed to be done as far as like the hard part of like bleaching the knots, cutting off the lace, all that zhuzh. So I'm really feeling it. And another thing, I don't like using got2b glue sometimes because it just make it look so hard. Like, it just makes the edges look so like rough, like stiff, and I be wanting them to look like soft. I don't want them to look like glue. Like, sometimes I'll be feeling like when I lay my edges with the got2b glue, it just looks like glue. And I want them to look a little softer. So, I don't know. Maybe I should have used mousse, right? We're gonna see. We gonna see. Alright. Now that I feel that it looks not too bad, I'm going to take this band right here and just tie her down, just to make sure my edges stay laid. So right now I'm basically going to style this hair. I want to put some curls in it. Right now she's giving, I think I had this in a 20, maybe 22, maybe. I don't know what I ordered it in. I will let you guys know down below, and I'll also link the video so you guys can watch it. But she had already, like I said, the girl already styled it and put like layers in it, but I feel like I want a little bit more in the front to give me that like snatched, like bang look. Look at that. So, and then I want to put some on this side a little bit. So yeah, I don't really know how long this wig is anymore because she did put some layers in it. She cut some hair off. Not a crazy amount, but I feel like I know. And this is the back. So it goes like right, it's like right a little bit past my butt crack. At least the back layers go all the way past my butt crack. You can see. So I got my hair shears right here, And to avoid having hair all over the floor, I'm gonna get my trash can. Isn't she cute? I know the bag ain't cute, but isn't she cute? She marble, she marble. So I'm gonna just put that over the sink, and I'm going to basically cut some layers into my hair. Now, I start off cutting layers like slowly but surely, so I'll start small and then start cutting a little by little, because I feel like once it's cut, it's cut. So you can always go back in and make shorter layers, but you can never get that hair back. So that's why I'm going in little by little to my liking. It's really about just getting that side swoop like popping, because I think that's so fire when you do the swooping and it's like head, and then the curls just bouncing like head. It's just so dope. This is fucked up. All right, y'all, so now that I got that out the way, it's a little bit of hair on the floor. I try to prevent the hair from being on the floor with the garbage can, but it didn't really work. So now that I got my hair shaped, well, yeah, layered the way I want, and it feels better. I feel like that helped it. I could have did a little bit more on this side, but I don't got time. I gotta hurry up and get ready. So yeah, I feel like now that I have my hair the way I want, I could kind of like get into like styling it. I don't know why it's acting weird. I'm gonna just put this on like 410, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and get straight into curling my hair. All right, y'all, so you know when things decide not to work in your favor, you still gotta keep on, okay? So right now, my straightener decided to not work anymore. I don't know what happened. It just decided to conk out. It is the Remington. This is pretty old anyway, but like, of course, because I want to film, that's when it don't want to work. So I do have a curling iron, but like I said, I don't know, like I don't know. Don't ask me how big it is, because I don't know. I also received this as a gift, so maybe a ½ inch. I don't know. I'm not even going to play and act like I know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna just have to use that since my straightener I want to play, and of course it's because I want to film. So whatever. Can I get a hello? Right, y'all, so I apologize, but I'm in a rush, so I didn't get to film like my makeup. But she cute. She cute. Look at this hair, okay? Curling iron. Maybe you do know what you're doing. It's giving lush. It's giving vibes. It's giving expensive. Take out this top curl because I did want to wait, but I said I'm gonna do it when I'm filming. So I took all those pins out, and that's why these curls are like this. It's probably not gonna stay like this, but we gonna see. Look at my baby hair. Look at the hairline. Look at the hairline. Look at it. Look. I can put a little concealer just to match my makeup a little more. So we're gonna do that. This is so cute. Look at somebody. Okay, for my first time, I think this is so cute. It came out so good. Oh my god. All right, let me stop. So yeah, let me show you guys the back. Hey, can I get a hello? Like, Bobby. I'm just like, hold on. I think I got on teeth. And I just brushed my teeth too. And I got lipstick on my teeth. Listen, man, anybody ever have lipstick on their teeth? Can you tell them? Because I feel like that's so foul. How you gonna let my sis walk around with lipstick on her teeth? Like, let sis know. But anyway. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look. I'm feeling the little layers I put in there. Look at the stop. Look, come on. Come on. Like, y'all know it look good. Hold on. Look, oh, I'm so proud of myself. Look, I know how to kind of get dressed and get together and put myself together, okay? We learning. I put a little bump up there, but it's not really giving what I needed to. Maybe I do need to start using a curling iron and stop playing myself with a straightener. Maybe that was a blessing in disguise that my straightener broke today while I was trying to film this, and my curling iron was like, hello, I'm here, use me. So, because it came out so cute. Back, let me give you a look at. And this is some really good quality hair. Like I said, I'll leave the video that I made with where this hair is from and all of that. I'll probably refer back to that video even myself to find out like the lengths and everything of what this hair is, because I really don't remember. But this is some really good quality hair. It's super soft. As many times as I straightened it, curled it, all of that is still nice. Like, this is really some good hair. I think it's Aligrace hair. Yeah, I want to say Aligrace. So yeah. All right, so let me go because I gotta go. I gotta get dressed. I'm gonna show y'all my everything when I'm done. I just wanted to like show y'all. I just wanted to show y'all like when I took my curls out, the pins, because they're gonna drop. They're already dropping, and I kind of like that because I don't want them to be too springy. I want more of like a, you know, seamless look. And then I had to fix this little piece right here. But other than that, girl, baddie. Anyway, so I'll be back with Kira, show y'all the final look. Definitely check out my Instagram down below. I'm going to be taking pictures and videos so you guys can like see everything kind of together. But this is a vibe. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys back in my next video. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. If you guys want to see like more get ready with me's or more glam kind of looks. So this is what I'm wearing. I got everything done. Just a little bralette, some jeans, and then I'm gonna put on my like mint green sandals. Oh my god, this, listen. Yeah, look at it. Hey. So this is the look finally put together. I put some earrings on, my little name chain from I think I ordered this off of like a Instagram site. I think it was like Vibe Season. I think everybody sees those sites and they order. I did go ahead and like fix that little piece on this side, and then I went and like added a little bit less of a curl on this side to like just make it extra like, you know, cute. And then I just added a little spray for those flyaways, and then put some concealer or makeup. I think I put concealer in the part, and boom, we together, girl. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I'll let you know all the products I use down below, and I think the next time is when I'm gonna probably film like the makeup part of it. Like I said, I'm in a rush, even though I'm still on camera, but I'm in a rush, so I gotta go. But next time I'll film like the entire get ready with me look. So see you guys back in my next video later.